Hey, baby. Hey, baby. It is 5:15 a.m. We're on the road to Chain Lakes Reservoir, Alberta, southern Alberta, not central Alberta. We're gonna meet YYC Explorer Dan. Check him out on Instagram. And of course, before we watch the video or start the video, boop, hit the like button. And of course, at the end of the video, hit the subscribe button. But for now, let's get it going. Let's get some ice fishing, rainbow trout, Chain Lakes, Alberta. Fishing with Paul, baby. This is gonna be epic.
Gotta get going. Need to be early. The fish, they are biting. Getting a little squirrely. Gonna hit my favorite spots. Maybe find a newbie. That's what you get when you're fishing with Paul B.
My least favorite thing about filming in the dark is looking into that light for you guys. But we are here, Chain Lakes. About an hour and 20 minutes to get here from Calgary. Just heading down to the boat launch. YYC Explorer screwed up the date. He thought we were going tomorrow. I did not bring my ice tent because he said he was bringing his and his heater. But I'm here, so let's get on with it. Maybe we'll sit in the truck. I don't know. We'll get some holes drilled. Lucky I got my hand auger with me. I didn't even bring my power auger. But that's the adventure of fishing. We're at the boat launch. Somebody's actually already out on the lake, so let's get out there. Launch. It's one each way. All right, this is always the scariest part of ice fishing when you go in your vehicle. Out on the ice. All right, let's do it. Hands down, my favorite part and least favorite part about ice fishing. Driving out on the ice. It is so scary. If you guys have not driven your vehicle out on a frozen lake, there's just this rush, this anticipation of, will it hold? It's a crapshoot. It's what we do to go fishing. Oh man, sometimes I wonder if it's worth it. One little tip that not a lot of people will talk to you about. When you're driving, no seatbelt on, window down, make sure your doors are unlocked. That way if something were to happen, you can get out quickly. Seatbelt off, window open, get ready to get out quickly. Hopefully we don't need to. Alright, I still gotta film from my phone because my GoPro that has the light is 1080p. You guys all want 4K. But I got to my spot. Somebody's already been here before me. Check this out. This makes our life easier. Let's get out and show you. Those are big cracks. There. And there, and we are just coming into a beautiful morning. I think we're gonna get a beautiful sunrise. Spitter patter, we need to get a coat on, and it ain't too windy, but let's get these holes drilled. Some bait in the water.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our growlings when people change, but not us, and we just chilling, kicking it, kissed by the sun, could be soaked to the skin in the moss. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change.
This is what we're using. Check that out. The ones that glow in the dark. That's the jigs we're gonna use. We're gonna put, I don't know, we'll just jig with them. But, so I've got some 8-pound fluorocarbon. Just gonna tie number 8 loop here so I can put it on the tip up, and then on the end, the jig. We're gonna put that down, and then we're gonna set up our rod. I'm gonna park right next to the hole. Just do some gentle jigging. But for now, let's get at it. Literally sucks. Getting older, I can't see nothing. So just gonna do typical fisherman's knot, 3, 4, 5. I'm a 6 kind of guy. Some people go as high as 9. And then what I do is I go through the loop, and a lot of guys will end there, but then I like to go back through the loop I just created. It's just an extra, and then lube it with your saliva and pull that sucker tight. Another thing I like to do, I don't know, I call it tip-in or loading. I like to pull the line back on the eyelet so that this guy hangs straight. on the other side. Gave myself, I'm gonna say about 3 feet. And all I do, make a loop and then just tie a single knot. Hit that entire loop, the 2 pieces you got. And when you pull it through, that's a figure 8 knot. And then that guy, we just put through the loop on the end of the tip up. All right, rod number 2, just letting some line out right now. It's a super light presentation. I find it's important to find the bottom. See how I can tell I'm on the bottom? I've got no resistance. So as soon as it comes up, there's the bottom right there. So I'm gonna reel down. I'm gonna lift up about 6-8 inches off the bottom. And what I like to do is I just go between my fingers like this, you know, and just wiggle it. I don't know if that works, but I always have pretty good luck with it. So back if we got a fish on. The glamorous lifestyle of a fisherman. Oh, look at that. In the vent. Time lapse happening there. Somebody taking a run at it. Well guys, it's definitely a fish. I'm going to say probably a small mountain whitefish. Yeah, look at that guy. That is not a small mountain whitefish. Tangled up in the tip-up line. So, first fish of the day. Fishing with Paul B, baby. You going back. Alright, you're gonna go. Now, my tip-up is over here, so we better reel that up. Yeah, oh look. See, I sprung my own tip-up. Maybe just let that all go down. Man, we haven't even been here 5 minutes. Well, I mean, we've been here a long time, but we haven't even been down hole 5 minutes. Let's get back down there. Again, just that gentle little twigging. Let's get another fish. Hopefully that wasn't our last of the day. Fishing with Paul B. Let's get on it. Let's reset the tip up. Fish on. I didn't even get to take a bite out of my sandwich. Well, let's reel him in. He is definitely a little rainbow. Okay, that's down hole. Half a twist up. Stick it in my custom Ford rod holder. Oh, come on. Oh, that seems like a little bit better fish. Well, let's reel him in. I just got the bottom and fish on. Definitely grab the tip up again. Maybe we'll bail on that. That's definitely a better fish. Oh, he wanted to come out of the hole. Oh, and he's wrapped up in the tip up. Alright, buddy. Oh, and he just swallowed that jig. We're gonna knock this guy out. He's a little bit of a keeper. So, just for the record, we're gonna share. That's the one that's crushing it. The glow in the dark we had, not so much. So, I think it's tiny. You guys can see how small that is. That's what we're catching them on. Okay, so real time. GoPro's going as well. I've just dropped down hole. Not even on bottom yet. Check the line. So I'm doing, I'm just pulling out until I get slack in the line. I know it's hard to see, but there's slack in the line. I flick the bail. I go till there's no slack in the line. And then I'm picking it up slow. Putting it in my Ford rod holder. Give it a little and then I just wait. Oh, look, see? Look. I don't set the rod. I'll grab the hook. Yeah, we got a fish on. That's real time. I'm not gonna stop recording. The Ford rod holder is definitely working. I think he's a little guy, but well, I say we let this guy go. Okay, buddy, let's get you off of here. We let that guy go. Still only got the one fish. We're gonna get back down. We're having such good luck. I think I'm only gonna keep the, 12 inches or bigger right now. Hopefully we get a giant, but see, Fords are good for something. Well, I think I got time to have a sandwich. Well, I didn't give it, I got it all tight, but I didn't give him my little doop, 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 pop, 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 pop. The reason I do that little tap, I think it imitates like a shrimp down there, or the scuds. You guys know scuds? I actually felt a hit while I was doing that. And we just let it sit. Boop, boop. Also might be too high off the bottom. Let's reset, get down a little lower. Actually, we can just probably pull out here. Up, up. There it is, see? Oh, there we go. Yep. That's a fish. Okay, I'll eat my sandwich later. There you go. It's a little better. We will keep you. Fish number 2. Let's get back down the hole. We're allowed a limit of 5. I think I might as well just get 3 more good ones. Get some drone footage. Call it a day. Fish with Paul B, baby. This one feels like a good one. We'll see. Definitely feels better than the last 2. Oh yeah. Well, about the same. But definitely keeper number 3 there. Fishing with Paul B, baby. Hey buddy, your dinner, okay? Hey, we'll skip the gory parts, but we're gonna bonk him on the head now. Alright, this guy feels tiny. Not so bad. Alright. There's keeper number 4 dancing on the ice. I'm barely getting these jigs down to the bottom and fish are biting. Alright, this time I'm dropping down a much bigger jig. See if we can't catch a monster fish, because after I get this one, I'm going to go home. I got here at 7:30, it's 9:15. I've let 5 go. I got my keepers for the day, except I can get 1 more. Call it a day, go home. Can some fish. Fishing with Paul B. Chain Lakes, Alberta. Oh, there we are, there's the bottom. Click the bail. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, come on. That was on bottom. I actually got a fish on. I'm sure of it. There's a fish on. Didn't even get at the bottom. A little more scrappy. Oh, look at that. He already let himself off the hook. Well, it's definitely something to be said about morning bite. Let's put it this way. And then I'll eat my sandwich. All right, buddy. What you? Ah, dear misery. Call it a day, huh? What do you say? Fishing with Paul B, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. And there's our take for the day. 1 hole, no ice tent, not too far from shore. Look at that. Chain Lakes, Alberta. Southern Alberta. Chain Lakes, Reservoir Park. Fishing with Paul B. Hour and a half. Let 5 fish go. Limited out. Gonna go home. It's like 9:30 in the morning. I'm all packed up, got my time lapse, got my drone shots. Let a couple go right off the bat. Got my keepers, let like another 10 go. I literally could not even get to the bottom and I had a fish on. So, chain links. When I got here, there was one shack out on the water. Now there's like 1, 2, 3, 16 plus down there. There's like another 40 people out on the water. They all got here after the sun was up. Guys, you got to get here for the morning bite. Get here about 20 minutes before the sun actually comes up. You'll be in position. What can I say? Chain Lakes, Alberta. Danny, YYC Explorer 1980. You missed out, buddy. But next time. For now, you've been fishing with Paul B, baby. See you next time.
When you're fishing with Paul B. When you're fishing with Paul B. When you're fishing with Paul B.